Hey guys, Jake from MowBot here, and today I'm going to show you how you can sort your collision sensor error. So you've just got a notification on your phone that you've got a collision sensor. So what you want to do first is come out to the mower, press the stop button, put the pin in. So typically the main cause of this error is that the cover is off of the main chassis of the mower and it's connected with 4 joysticks, especially on this 450, but it varies between mowers. So you want to go ahead and just check all your joystick points. So you've got 2 at the rear, 2 at the front in this case. So I'll check this one. Back left is fine, front left is fine, front right is fine. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of lift in the rear right. So I'd say that this one is off its joystick. So because we've identified that the rear right segment of the mower is off its joystick, we want to push the top cover back onto the joystick. But it's important to line it up with the joystick first, and it will sound a little something like this. So now that we've found the issue and solved it, we can then get Jerry on his way back to mowing the grass. And that's how you sort your collision sensor issue.